Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for tuning in and checking out this video. I'm going to go through how to trade the Fed meeting, the FOMC, how to trade SPY during that meeting. Now, I want to preface by saying this is not my strategy. This is not the strat. I didn't come up with this theory. I did not come up with this strategy. I will give credit to the guy who did though, because I traded this on September 21st when I first heard about it. And it was a magical trade. It was a dream trade. It worked exactly like he said it would. So we're going to go through it. I'm going to tell you how to go through the Fed meeting at 2 o'clock when it opens Eastern time, and we're going to talk about it. I'm going to show you how to trade it. So let's get started on this, and then at the end of the video, I will give you the name of the dude that kind of, I don't know if he came up with this strategy, but he's got it on his pinned tweet. So I'll send you his way, and then you can read his pinned tweet after the video. So the meeting starts at 2 o'clock Eastern, so that's 12 o'clock my time, and I've got this chart set up on a 3-minute chart right now just to show you guys how it works. Now, the first thing I want to tell you guys, it's very, very risky to trade this. Like, SPY moves fast on its own when you're trading options with it. When we're dealing with the Fed meetings, it has the potential to be even more volatile and move even faster. So I don't want you guys to go out risking a whole bunch of money on this just because it's worked 20 out of the last 20 Fed meetings at 100%. It's a 100% win rate over the last 20 meetings. Because listen, when you're playing roulette, black can hit 20 times in a row, but eventually it's going to hit red. Okay? So at some point this isn't going to work. And it may be the meeting on the 12th. I don't know. But this is how to complete the strategy. So when the meeting opens up at 2 p.m., okay, you're gonna have your initial reaction, and you watch because this is gonna be fast. So here we're at 12:57, or sorry, 11:57 my time. So 1:57, and then the next. These are 3-minute candles. The next 3-minute candle, you're going to watch what happens. Boom. That's when they start the meeting. Okay? You have this big red drop. So whatever happens at that 2 p.m. meeting, you can try and get into this. It might not be as volatile, but this is what I mean by volatile. Like this is a $7 move from top to bottom in 3 minutes. Even more than that, okay? That's seven. What did we go to? 82? $5 move in 3 minutes on SPY. That is a huge volatile move. So at 12 o'clock, you're going to see this first move. Okay? And there you go again. So you can you can take this original trade at 12 o'clock. Whichever way it's going to go, if it goes down like it did, you can take that trade. And then watch this time frame now. Okay, so at about 12:25 to 12:35, or 2:25 to 2:35 Eastern time, Powell's going to come in and speak. And at that point, that's when you want to try and get in this trade and run all the way back up. So that's what happens with these Fed meetings. You have at 2 o'clock, whichever that candle runs. If this candle goes green, you're going to play puts at about 225 or 235, but you're going to watch the price action as well. Okay, meaning you're basically watching what the strat does. You're watching the candlestick. So watch, we come into 12. This is 12:21, so this candle ends at 12:24. Watch what happens. Okay, there we go. Consolidation on the inside bar. Boom. There's your move. Okay, 12:33. That thing starts moving. So as long as you bought somewhere in here, you were okay, which I did. I think I actually bought, might have been somewhere in this range on this inside bar the last time I played this. I played this on the 21st, and that's why I'm showing. I don't want to keep this information. I want to share it with as many people as I can. And watch. We continue. There's the big run up, okay? So if you got in at 12:25 in this range here, 381, 382 range, all the way up to 388 Okay, a $7 move in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. That's a week changing, a month changing trade. Okay, and then we come up a little bit more, and I wouldn't be holding much past that, and then we kind of hover around for the rest of the day. But that's exactly how you would trade it, guys. So off of the original move, you can play this. This is at 2 p.m. You can play that to the downside, but then at 12:25 to 2:25 to 2:35 Eastern, when Powell comes in and speaks, you're going to want to look to get into this trade to run it back up. Now, like I said, if this red bar was a green bar and it went up, you can play that original move, but then you're going to play puts at 12:25 to 12:35 when Powell comes in and starts speaking. Now, if you look off to the right here, I'm going to put the Twitter handle of my guy here that's given this amazing play out. His name is G-Knots on Twitter. It's at Bull Trade Finder. So go give him a follow. Tell him Clark Griswold sent you. But try this, guys. But I'm not telling you to go buy 10, 15, 20 contracts of this thing to change your life. I'm telling you to go buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on what your account is. But I wouldn't go spending the majority of your account YOLOing this thing, because, like I said, at some point, it's not going to work. Yes, it's worked 20 times in a row. Can it work 21? We're going to find out on the 12th of October, which is tomorrow if you're watching this video as it's put out. But go check this out. Even if you don't play it, go watch it and see what happens and see if this plays true. This is 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700% moves that we're looking at. So when you're getting the options, get as close to the money as you can. So if we're buying calls at 12.21 at 3.82, we're taking a 3.83 call or a 3.82 call. So it's going to cost you a couple, $200-$300, okay, to get into this trade for one contract. So take that, and guys, if you make 300% on that, I don't think anybody would be crying about $600. Okay, I know I wouldn't on one trade on one contract. So go check it out. Hopefully it works out for you guys. And if you want more videos like this one, look at the end, bottom right hand corner. This channel, 300 plus videos for you guys to teach the strat, learn how to be more profitable, more consistent. There's also a SPY video up in the top right hand corner on how you can trade SPY every single day in the market on the 30-minute time frame. So go check that out. Make sure you're subscribed down below. I also have a Discord down below. Join that and get in on the conversation, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.